Question. Two buckets M and N contain 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 of water respectively, and the remaining are milk. The ratio of the volume of two buckets is 4:5. Both the buckets are poured into a barrel. The resultant mixture contains 57 liters of milk. Find the volume of bucket N. Options are option A 30 liters, option B 35 liters, option C 40 liters, option D 45 liters, and option E 50 liters. Let's see the solution. In the statement they given that two buckets M and N contain 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 of water respectively, and the remaining are milk. So here there are two buckets M and N which contain 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 of water respectively, and the remaining in both the buckets is milk. And in the next statement they given that the ratio of the volume of two buckets is 4:5. So here the ratio of the volume of two buckets is 4:5. That is, the volume of bucket M is 4x and the volume of bucket N is 5x. And in the next statement they given that both the buckets are poured into a barrel. So here is a barrel and both the buckets M and N are poured into the barrel. And in the next statement they given that the resultant mixture contains 57 liters of milk. So here the resultant mixture contains 57 liters of milk. Now in the question they are asking the volume of bucket N. Here we know the volume of bucket M is 4x and it contains 1 by 4 of water. So here the quantity of water in bucket M is 1 by 4 into 4x, that is x. Now the quantity of milk in bucket M is equal to volume of bucket M minus the quantity of water. That is 4x minus x is equal to 3x. So the quantity of milk is 3x. In the same way, the volume of bucket N is 5x and it contains 1 by 3 of water. So here the quantity of water in bucket N is 1 by 3 into 5x, that is 5x by 3. Now the quantity of milk in bucket N is equal to volume of bucket N minus the quantity of water, that is 5x minus 5x by 3 is equal to 10x by 3. So the quantity of milk is equal to 10x by 3. Here we know the resultant mixture contains 57 liters of milk. That is, the quantity of milk in bucket M plus the quantity of milk in bucket N is equal to 57. After solving this, we get x equal to 9. So here we need to find the volume of bucket N, and here we know the volume of bucket N is 5x and x is equal to 9. So 5x is equal to 5 into 9, that is 45. So the volume of bucket N is 45 liters. So the answer is option D, 45 liters.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn 4 more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.